Hazrat Zuhri narrates that Hazrat Abu Salama has reported from Hazrat Abdullah bin Abbas radiyallahu anhu. When Hazrat Abu Bakr radiyallahu anhu came out, Hazrat Umar radiyallahu anhu was saying something to the people. He radiyallahu anhu said, "Sit down, O Umar." But Hazrat Umar radiyallahu anhu refused to sit down. So the people, abandoning Hazrat Umar radiyallahu anhu, made for him. Hazrat Abu Bakr radiyallahu anhu said, "To proceed, whosoever amongst you worshipped Hazrat Muhammad S.A.W., then he had expired. And whosoever amongst you worship Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, then he Jalla Jalaluhu is alive and will never expire. As Allah Jalla Jalaluhu said, and Muhammad is the only an apostle. There have been many other apostles before him. Will you then, if he departs or be slain, turn back on your heels? And he who will turn back on his heels shall not harm Allah at all. And very soon Allah will recompense the thankful." The reporter says, by Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, it sounded as if the people had not known that Allah Jalla Jalaluhu had revealed these words too. When Hazrat Abu Bakr radiyallahu anhu recited this verse, all the people learning it from him started reciting it, and I did not hear anyone but reciting this verse. Sayyid bin Musayyab says that Hazrat Umar radiyallahu anhu said, by Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, I felt as if I had heard Hazrat Abu Bakr radiyallahu anhu reciting this verse first, so I got awed. My both legs started shaking till I collapsed on the ground when I heard that the Prophet ﷺ had departed this life. Sahih Bukhari, Hadith number 4454.